How to fix WhatsApp keeps crashing when sending photos on iPhone. Hey guys, so the first thing that we can do is to share that photo within the Photos app. So let's open up the Photos app right here. And for example, I want to share this photo to a friend on WhatsApp. Now, once you have opened that photo, click on the share icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. And you should be able to see the friend you have a conversation with on WhatsApp. Now, if you don't see their name right on this list right here, you can also scroll to the left on this list and click on more right here and look for WhatsApp, and it will let you choose which contact you want to send this photo to. Now, I want to send this to this specific friend on WhatsApp, so I'm just going to tap on it, and it should immediately take you to the WhatsApp application. You can then also add a caption and click on the send icon right here. It will load, and then you can see if that works for you. If it does not, you can try to restart your phone. So just press and hold the power button and your volume button simultaneously, and slide to power off and turn on your iPhone once again. So if that does not work, you can go to the App Store and search for WhatsApp right here through the search bar and tap on WhatsApp Messenger and see if it is up to date. If it shows open right here, that means that it is currently updated. However, if it shows an update option, just tap on the update button for you to have the updated version of the app. If those options does not work, you can go to your settings, click on general, click on software update, and download the latest iOS version and see if that solves your problem.
So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.